What is up? Hey guys, so this person in my car, in my Jeep, I'm not doing a Porter Rich episode right now, I will later on, but this person in my car literally stopped me and I was about to go to work. He asked me if I was a YouTuber. I'm like, yeah. He's like, okay, let me see your house. Well, my house is all the way over there, as you guys can tell. Well, I'll show you guys in a little bit. I moved here. Okay, cool. It's my new house. Now house. New, okay. It's this one. Oh, okay. I have a lot of boxes. Damn. This is a nice freaking house. This is probably his plot. Sorry, guys. Since this guy is so freaking nice, I would donate to him, but I only have $0. As you guys can tell. A lot of boxes. There we go. This is like a lot. Okay, so there's someone knocking on my door, so I'm sorry that I'm not answering the door. This how, okay, the house costs, what? Ow, ow. Okay, I'm just gonna go with it. I'm gonna be like, yeah, cool. I'm just gonna do that. I'll be like, cool. I think he is like, this house cost the money, but he didn't do a grade, so I couldn't see it. So, oh, you should change that picture. What did you say? I said a lot of boxes. Earlier I said a lot of boxes. This is a nice house. I wish I can feel like this. It's not that freaking fair. This is the wrong time for someone to be knocking on my door that I'm not gonna answer because I'm doing a YouTube video. ABC4 tags. Everyone's like asking me for my freaking YouTube channel. Okay. Oh yeah, house, nice. Oh, sorry. I didn't. Wait. Okay. Oh yeah, the house, nice stop. And then, but they wouldn't want to be here. Okay. Sorry, I did not read that correctly. If I did not read that correctly, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, the house, my stuff, and I'm coming. Why is there someone there? That creeps me out. That person has been following us. That really creeps me out. Oh, this is the kids' room. Oh, that's beautiful. So cute. A little kids' room. Someone's knocking on the door. There's a lot of people. This is my kid's bedroom. Okay. Oh, you just left me in here. You forgot I don't have friends, right? Okay. Let me guess the bathroom. Oh shoot, I never thought about that. Damn, that's fucking cute. Sorry guys, that's freaking adorable. This is probably his plot. I like the freaking shower. I never really thought about. Oh wow, I'm in here. Let me just get out from it. It's so laggy. And they got urine. This is not that freaking bad. It looks huge if you didn't have the boxes. This is very cute. Hold on. I told people not to come to my house today, and there they are. Not this house, not the one in Bloxburg, but the one in my real house. Cute. Oh, I said cute, not cut. Cute. Wow. This is like a mini house. Like, I'm stupid. This is like a cute little modern mini house. Oh, there's a stop sign. I really collect those. Cute house. Why? Oh. It's a cute house. Do you know what cute means? Okay, okay. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm in your boxes. Oh, thank you. Oh, okay, at that. Oh, he has the money to buy the... I only have 14 V-Bucks. I have $0. I can't get out right. AFC 418 Sun. Teen Sun. Not Sun Teen, but... Oh well. I can't get out. Crowded. With the boxes in It's so laggy. That's fucking mean. Yeah, here is the cool... Where? Clock, oh. Okay. I have no perms. I was gonna sit on the kitchen. Oh gosh, you guys can see him at the back of my main account. SpongeBob, shut up. Do you want to sleep here? Sure, okay. Yeah, as you can tell, my Jeep's over there, sure. I have no perms. I have no perms. That person's stupid. I can easily get into someone's door. I can easily glitch into walls. It's really easy. I can get out of here if I wanted to, but this house is actually nice. Better than mine. Mine's huge though. You can be the mom, be the dad, okay. Wait, what? I never knew that. My question, what? This person's about to get punched. I'm just kidding. Can you be the one, I will be the dad, okay. What the heck? That person's stupid. He's probably just a fan or something. Or subscriber or something. I have no subscribers, so go. I hid. Does he not know I hid? Wow, okay. He said go. So I went. I don't know what he meant by go. I think he meant my hide. I'm hiding. Oh my god. Oh, that was so close. I'm going into the bedroom. I'm going into one of the bedrooms. Oh, he gave me perms. Close the door. I don't know. Let's go to the... But my things are already up. My energy's not. Oh. Let's like pretend I'm stuck. I am stuck. This is how crowded this house is. Wait, is there a sitting area? Oh my god. This is weird. Good night. Oh. That's nice. I wish I would just wait. I wish I was a kid so I can sleep in that. We should change it to our PJs. This is weird. It won't let me change. Okay, there. Jeez. Sleeping. Ooh, drink. Is that hot sauce? I wonder if I drink the hot sauce. Is that hot sauce? Oh my god. That's really annoying. Who is that? I don't know. Does this person know who I am? Don't go out. Do go out. This is weird. Don't go outside. Yeah, but I need my car. I wonder if I drink the freaking thing water. Is that hot sauce? Is that hot sauce? I don't even know who this person is. I want to sleep in my own bed. Oh my god, they got inside! I can glitch. If I can. I can glitch out of here. Wow. See, I knew it was his. Huh. I'm beating you to the fucking house. No! No! Get out! I'm gonna get in the Jeep. Come. Yeah, that's my house over there. I literally got no money. I don't know. Oh, I know just the place. No, don't stop with the fucking stop sign. He's still on his pajamas. I gotta get him something. I know. You better not be driving my Jeep under the bridge. I'm not gonna have to respond. Don't drive my Jeep under the bridge. Don't. That car's faster than this Jeep. Oh, no, it's not. You can't even catch the fuck up. Oh, I just said the fucking Whoopsie. Okay, no, stop. Get out, get out, get out. Yes! Oh, God. Change permissions. I'm blocking you. That's how you do it. I'm blocking him from my plot, so he doesn't break into my house, but